SOLYSTIC has a long history, a history that began in the 1950s, and we have a long future ahead of us. Our origins might be French, but we are firmly international. We are part of the American Northrop Grumman group, and our solutions are used in more than 25 countries and on 5 continents. Our headquarters is in Paris. Our production site is in the south of France, near Lyon. SOLYSTIC is now a world leader in interlogistics, which involves handling physical objects and information flows within a supply or distribution site. We help improve service quality and working conditions while reducing operating costs for our customers, who are key players in postal, express delivery, e-commerce, and distribution services. More than 1 billion objects are dispatched worldwide every day. Letters, newspapers, magazines, catalogs, and parcels big and small. Products bought online, goods for shop replenishment, and groceries for home delivery. Our solutions help identify, track, sort, dispatch them to the right destinations, and prepare their delivery. We invest a lot in innovation, such as highly automated handling systems, mobile robotics driven by intelligent IT, and image and data analysis that reads text and handwriting in real time, even in the most complex instances. We also create digital twins that exactly simulate physical systems and flows, along with piloting and supervision systems, and support and maintenance networks that ensure peak performance at all times. We love our work, and we love working with our customers, understanding their needs, creating structures for their logistics operations, and identifying the best solutions. We'd like to take a project or a goal and turn it into a reality that ensures quality, deadlines, and performance. SOLYSTIC, in a few words, a history of innovation transformed into concrete value.